Hi, I'm Michelle Tomko, and I'm super excited to be able to apply for the 2014 Do Crew. I've done a ton of stuff around town that give me the unique skill set that would make me perfect for this job. First of all, people skills. No problem. I spent 2 years acting in Tony and Tina's Wedding and Finnegan's Wake at the Showboat Showroom. I then went on to win a 10-week talent competition at Resorts, which resulted in me getting my own show there, Michelle Tomko. I won nothing. And speaking of winning, I'm a poker player, and I know what gamblers want, and I am familiar with all of the casinos in town. I've also been to most of the major restaurants and local hotspots here in town. If you're nice to me, I can even tell you how to get a table at Chef Vola's. Shh! I'm a freelance writer, too. I freelanced for the Boardwalk Journal and for The Current. I was an editor at Casino Connection magazine right here in downtown Atlantic City. I've got hundreds of Facebook friends, and they range from ages 18 to 85. So I'm someone who can really bridge the gap between age groups. And I guarantee you, I'm the only applicant that can do this with a poker chip. Oh, yes, that's right. So vote for me, Michelle Tomko. And before you do, check out my website at michelletomko.com and watch some of my videos because I'm also a stand-up comic too. So who's the only applicant that can wear this many hats, looks good in drag, and is just downright fedorable? Thanks.